Right.
Okay.
So we're following on from the previous video where you saw us capping the radiator off using Tectite Sprint. Again, I'm going to stress the Sprint because there's different types within the range. So the Sprint super for central heating, right? So the radiator was on that wall there.
Yeah.
We're putting a nice towel rail up here. I've been requested to put that in by somebody. And obviously now we need to connect it up to the
central heating
supply. Yeah, right. So basically I need to cut this pipe so it'll fit in from there to there.
This is a Tectite
Sprint T.
It's a 15mm, all this stuff's 15mm.
Connecting into here.
Right. So you've got your Rothenberger pipe slice, haven't you?
Yeah. Right, so that's that bit done. Now,
working out where
my T, I need to come in about there. So if you see on the pipe slice, it's got a central line.
Right, it's where it cuts, yeah.
Yeah, so I want to be about there. So I'm just going to push that out of the way. Now again, this Rothenberg pipe slice is coming to its own because look.
Yeah, it'd be really difficult to get that on there.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So you imagine trying to do this with a hacksaw.
Get a towel on.
It just isn't worth the hassle. Taking stress. Take it from me.
And these are rated for central heating, aren't they? These.
Yeah, that's why it's Sprint.
Version.
Yeah, we keep saying Sprint.
Yeah. Yeah. When you buy them, it's a Sprint. It's nearly gone through that.
So
we've got a bit of
leverage.
So I might have to help with this.
So we've got a bit of manoeuvre. Probably could do with taking a little bit off here. Yeah, no problem with that. Because it's otherwise it's just going to be forcing itself. Word of warning from experience, about 30 years ago, and I say 30 years ago, first putting some plumbing in, central heating, got it all done one night, think, oh brilliant job, then put the floorboard back down, not realising there was a nail in it, and obviously, so if you're taking boards up, make sure there's no nails left in them and you put them back the right way up. Because
we are putting new board down there though, aren't these?
Yeah,
these have had it.
We're putting 18mm ply in here because it's going to be a wet room.
And most of this mess beneath hasn't been caused by us.
So I can move that a little bit. So I can move that as well. So I'm gonna move that out of the way. That's it, and you can hear it click.
When you hear it click,
and that's clicked.
So you see it's pushing.
Right. And that's it, right.
Doesn't get much easier than that.
That's that one done. Now,
the other one.
I've got another one here. So what I need to do there is put a T in, and I need to drop that a little bit because there's no way that's going to
that won't work
fit in there. So we know where we need to cut that, which is here.
So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to this after we've done it, okay?